Would you just let me do an introduction? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Sparrow Show. We got BLAH-xycharm! This month's box is like really rectangular and like small. Like I can hold it with one hand anyway. Whoa. Ooh, everything is so shiny. Okay, this first giant amazing box. This is Glam & Glow, a gentle bubble daily conditioning cleanser. It's a face makeup remover too, which is probably gonna be great because I'm gonna need to take all this off too. Oh my gosh. This packaging's just got me feeling all warm and fuzzy. That's pretty much all it is. It is raining and I have the door open. I live in the desert. I love rain. And that is all. You love rain? Yeah, we both live in the desert. Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Sorry if I seem distracted, and also that you can probably hear the rain because I just like to hear the rain. Okay, what the heck is this? This is a lip pencil. I am not into lip pencils, okay? I don't use them, although Vintage sent an eyeliner one time, and it was a nice, like, pencil eyeliner. I mean, this color is fine, I guess, and the formula feels nice. I just don't know how I feel about it. It's in the shade Mocha, if that matters for anything, but this color looks almost like purpley brown. I don't know, it's just weird. I don't know, we'll see. This next thing came like this. The box is open and the product is falling out, which ironically is called Fallout Free Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. That is beautiful. It's like a pink color with like golden reflex in it. It's, oh my god, it's so freaking pretty. This is by Ciate London, by the way. Oh, I can't wait to put this on my eyeballs. This is by Steve Laurent. It's a lip gloss. Ooh! What else did I have from Steve Laurent before? A blush, maybe? Okay, this color is a good color. I mean, this seems really pigmented for a gloss, you know what I'm saying? This is by Alamar Cosmetics, a colorette blush trio, and it's taped closed, of course. Because why would they make it easy on me anyway? Wow, blushes I'll never use. No, honestly, because y'all know I'm not big on peach. This one, maybe. Like, yeah, actually, yeah. This would probably be a good blush color. This one, I think is probably too pink, too dark. I just can't think of an instance where I'd want to wear either of these two. Wow, we kind of went through all that pretty fast. So that is everything in my BLAH-xycharm. First things first, let's take my makeup off so we can start doing something. And perfectly enough, we have a Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser, which takes off makeup. So let me go get my face wet. Hello, my face is sufficiently wet. Just got just that, and yeah, just gonna give it a good scrubbing. Like, it kind of smells like alcohol-y. Like, when I say alcohol, I mean like an alcoholic beverage, like a mixed drink of some sort. It did what it said it would do. It took my makeup off. I mean, I feel like I kind of have a lot of cleansers, so I don't know if there's anything besides the packaging that makes it special, you know? It works fine, I guess. All right, so since we're starting fresh, let me go put some foundation on and some eyebrows back on my face. I'll be right back. Y'all, it is raining so hard. I did my base. Actually, I guess I could have bronzed myself. So let's do that. This is the Sun Glow Summer Bronze. I got this from Shop Miss A. It was $1, and it's a pretty damn good bronzer. So, I mean, it's good for $1 anyway. Okay, BB. Now we can actually get into it. Except we can't because I didn't bring a freaking blush. Yes, I did. Okay, it's fine. I only have people coming over to my house very shortly. It's no need to be on time for anything. Okay, so I'm obviously just gonna try this one out. It seems very pigmented, so I'm gonna try to do a light touch here. Yeah, so this is super pigmented blush, so I had to like kind of tone it down a little bit on this side. It's nothing special really. It's super pigmented and creamy, so like it blends really well. Other than that, I'm really not that impressed. I guess because I usually just like a nice like luminizing blush that makes me look like dewy and stuff, and that just didn't do that for me. Anyway, Let me throw some highlight on real quick. I'm using the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Celestial right now. And then after I do that, I'll put like a powder highlight on top of it. So this one, I think I got this out of an Ipsy one time. This is Moon Dust by Ciate London. I don't even like this one. I still use it though just because I have it, but it's just really like fallouty and like not as pigmented as I want it to be. But if you use it on top of like a sticky base, it's not horrible. Oh, look at that, the sun came out. Welcome to Arizona, where weather changes at the drop of a hat. Now the sun's kind of messing up my light. No more, Mr. Golden Sun. So next, let's do, instead of just putting this on my eyelid and just calling it a day, I'm gonna like throw some of this darker shade in my crease. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, and I have somewhere to go after this, so hopefully it's not stupid. I don't know if this is gonna help the look or not, but I mean, at least I know these blend really nice. Like, they're really, really buttery and nice. I mean, for blushes, sure. But you know what's crazy is that it looks like almost purpley, like dark in the pan, but on my eyes it's like bright pink. It's weird. Whatever. Okay, so let's just throw this eye luster on. I'm so excited. So this is super pretty. Sorry I was holding my mirror in the way. The angle just like wasn't good for my blind ass. My biggest concern is that the only other one of these I've used, I wish I remembered what the brand was off the top of my head. The color was very similar to this, but after I put it on my lids, it just like creased really bad and then like flaked off. So hopefully this does not do that, because this really is pretty and I would love to wear it on my lids like all day. It's so gorgeous. So let me see if I can pack a little bit more of this color into the corners here. I actually think this is kind of a look. It's simple, not too overdone, not too over dramatic. I just think it's just nice and like kind of dainty. Let me throw some eyeliner and mascara on real fast. Okay, anyway, we got these lippy boys to try. So let's do the lip liner first. Girl, honestly, like, I just don't do lip liners. They're just not my thing. This color is really pretty. I honestly will probably never use this, but anyway, let's throw this gloss on. I know they call this a lip gloss, but like honestly, this is so pigmented. And I thought it was gonna be around the same color as the lip liner, but it really wasn't, but that's okay. It's got that super cakey smell that y'all know I don't really like. It's not like overpoweringly, horribly cakey, but I mean, it's still something, you know. But in general, I like it. I mean, I like lip glosses. I kind of prefer lip glosses to liquid lipsticks, because liquid lipsticks just almost like 9 times out of 10 just dry my lips out. So I would rather wear something that I just have to reapply a little bit throughout the day, you know? Anyway, that is it. That's everything that was in my BLAH-xycharm. Let's go through some prices. Glam Glow Gentle Bubble. I still can't say that. Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Goes for $28. I mean, this is a lot of product. Like, if I get another cleanser within another Ipsy or BLAH-xycharm within the next few months, I'm just gonna scream, because this is so much, it will last me like a year at least. But for $28, yeah, I mean, I think it's fair with how long it's gonna last you. Like, let's just say it lasts me a year. 28 bucks for a cleanser for a year, like, That's pretty good. I also probably don't like obsessively wash my face as often as some might either though. So that might be a defining difference. But I still feel like it'll last you longer than most cleansers, you know. This blush trio goes for $22. So like $7.33 per blush, which is, I mean, they're pretty big pans, so I think that's fair. I also just never see the point in making blushes a palette like this. Like blushes and highlight palettes, I don't understand them because I feel like, why would I spend money on 3 blushes when I'm only gonna potentially use 1? I mean, yeah, I use that one as an eyeshadow, but like that's just because like here we are. I'll probably never do that again. I have other pink eyeshadows I can use, you know, that would do about the same thing. But yeah, I just don't get the point of blush trios. Like, so, but if you had like a trio that was like a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight, then you have my attention because that just makes more sense. Maybe people just aren't as picky about blushes as I am. But you know, with highlight palettes too, like my skin is so light, you know, I can't do half the highlights out there. So I don't know. That's just how I feel about those kind of products in general. This cream eyeshadow goes for $22. So far, it's not creasing. However, I do feel like it's lost some of its shine since it's been on my face, and it hasn't been on very long. It's still beautiful though, don't get me wrong. And I'm happy that it just isn't creasing, you know, and it doesn't feel like crusty or flaky or anything, so that's a plus. But when I touch it, there was a little bit of glitter on my finger. So I don't know if this would last the whole day, but then neither would a regular eyeshadow either half the time. So I don't know. $22 for one shade is kind of a lot, but then again, you have the Stila glittery liquid eyeshadows, and those are more expensive than this, I think. So at least I'm assuming anyway. I've never bought one, so I don't really know. So I guess it's a fair price considering what everything else like this is priced at on the market. This lip gloss is also $22. I think it's just because I've been getting BLAH-xycharm and Ipsy for so long now. I just have a plethora of lipsticks, and I'm like, why would I need to go out and buy a lipstick? They're just gonna keep sending them to me. So it's like, I don't know. I guess I wouldn't go and spend $22 on a lipstick when I'm spending less than that on the entire BLAH-xycharm, and more often than not, they send me lipstick. So it's like, whatever, I don't know. I like it though. It's very nice. It's got a real nice formula and everything. The color is good. I didn't like it as much as I thought I would. I thought it was gonna be more rosy, but this kind of has like a little bit of an orange tint to it. But actually, now that it's been on my lips for a while, it doesn't look so bad. I don't know. It doesn't look bad at all. I like it. I like it. And the last thing is this lip pencil, and oh my god, $21. If you're into lip pencils, maybe. Tell me down below if you wear lip pencils, because I have a few of them. I don't touch them. So I don't know. I feel like it's more of like an older person thing, like when you start getting wrinkles and stuff. Like maybe it'll prevent your lipstick from bleeding or something. I mean, if that's the case, then like, yeah, like why? I don't need it yet. Maybe someday in my life I'll change my mind, but for right now, this is gonna go in my makeup collection. I'm never gonna use it. Anyway, that was everything in my BLAH-xycharm. I did want to point out that my band just announced a new show, so if you're an Arizona local, Friday, May 31st, we are going to be at the Rebel Lounge opening for Stick Up Kid and a few other bands that are on tour, so we're the local openers, so I think we go on at like 6 or 6:30 or something like that. I think doors are at 6 and the show's at 6:30. Don't totally quote me on that. So if you're interested for tickets, you can hit me up on Instagram, send me a DM, and we can get it all sorted out, because I do have discounted pre-sale tickets that I can hold at will call for you. So if you're interested and you want something fun to do on a Friday night and you're in Arizona, let's do the damn thing. Otherwise, no, I got nothing else to say. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye.